Nakiisa ang Unisol Clothing Company sa katatapos lang na Manila Fame Trade Show sa Pasay City. Ibinida nito ang makabagong disenyo ng kanilang brand, ang Lapu Heritage Collection, suwak sa tema sa pagkakilala sa produktong halaw sa likas na yaman ng Pilipinas. Narito ang balita ni Paul Montibon.
Tampok ngayong taon sa Manila Fame 2025 Trade Show sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City ang mga produktong gawa sa Pilipinas. Partikular na sa mga sektor ng home, fashion at lifestyle. Sa pagdiriwang ng ika-73 na edisyon nito, ang Manila Fame ay may temang Objects of Nature na nagbibigay pugay sa likas na yaman ng Pilipinas at nagpapakita ng mga produktong disenyo na inspirado ng kalikasan. Ang Manila Fame ay isang mahalagang plataporma para sa mga lokal na negosyo at manggagawa upang ipakita ang kanilang mga produkto at serbisyo sa mga lokal at dayuhang mamimili. At kung tibay, inobasyon, pagbabago at sustainability lang naman ang pag-uusapan, bumida ang Unisol Clothing Company na naglalayong maging nangungunang brand ng uniforme sa Pilipinas na may mataas na kalidad, matibay at eco-friendly. Isa na rito ang pinakabagong Lapu Collections.
What we have here is for 2026 is a collection that is anchored on sustainability. With the use of Philippine tropical fabric, specifically piña, we are able to create a truly Filipino product. And with collaborations with our designer, Nikki Rice, we're able to focus on promoting the culture of the different regions.
So the inspiration is inspired by Lapu. So the manufacturing of Unisol is actually based in Lapu City. So my inspiration is him. And you know, we wanted to mix that culture of heritage into it. That's why we're using the PTFs or Philippine textile fabrics. And you know, if you will look at the collection, you will see the prints is made from traditional Visayan tattoos. Kailangan natin tangkilikin ang sariling atin, you know, as Filipinos. So we're here in Manila Fame, and Fame nga, diba? So us showcasing to the world what we're capable of, what the Filipinos are capable of in a global stage.
Sa Manila Fame, isa rin itong programa na nagtatampok ng mga bagong disenyo at produkto na ginagawa ng mga lokal na manufacturer at designer.
And what we have here is an ecosystem that connects the source, our fabric, which is made in the Philippines, made from piña, manufactured in Cebu, and designed by our local creative designers. We made collaborations with designers and looking forward for Unisol to be the platform wherein designers can create.
It was amazing working with Jonas, the team. You know, I've been flying back and forth from Manila to Cebu to work closely with their teams, and we were able to create, you know, these designs with them, you know, as well as the fabric supplier as well. They've been really great working all together, and we're happy that we're able to showcase here in Manila Fame.
Pero bago pa man ang disenyong ito, matagal nang nasa puso ng Unisol ang pagtangkilik at paggamit ng lokal na produkto para tulungan ang mga magsasaka, pagpapanatili ng kultura at tradisyon tungo sa mas mabilis na paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Wika nga, mahalin at tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin.
That's one of the reasons why nandito kami. Because what we saw before was like, if you look at Fame, this is for export, right? So what we've seen is like a lot of our materials, a lot of our design, parang it gets appreciated outside before it gets appreciated here. And what we're trying to do also is really focus on local, because we want to show like these materials can be used in the Philippines. We don't have to export it for it to have value, right? Like, why don't we use it in our local economy? Because right now, for tela, we're importing so much, right? So instead of supporting the textile manufacturing of other countries, why don't we support our local textile manufacturing?
Pero alam niyo ba na isa sa mga ipinagmamalaki rin ng Unisol ang 100% compliance nito sa ilalim ng Republic Act 9264 o ang Philippine Tropical Fabrics Law o ang promosyon, pagpapayabong at paggamit ng mga katutubong hobby at materyales na likha dito sa Pilipinas. Isang batas na nagtatakda sa lahat ng mga tanggapan ng bawat lokal na pamahalaan na tangkilikin ang sariling produktong Pinoy, tatak Pinoy at tatak world class. Kaya naman, sagot na rin yan ng Unisol Chameleon Set.
So the concept of Chameleon is to provide a workwear for the work week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yun yung Chameleon set namin. So it's a combination of the different product types of Unisol, t-shirt, polo, button-down jackets, and we provide it as a set. So with that, that package starts with a 3,500, 4,000, 5,000, and even 6,000. Full set na siya.
So that's super affordable, right?
One of the things I really love, Jud, about the Tropical Fabric Act, in the law, it really says this is a patriotic act. So this is an act that's supposed to be bringing back the values sa local and like promoting local. So that's why everywhere we go, we're like, naay law, right? This law is really supposed to be to build the industry, to support local, and to bring value to our designers. And we don't have to wait for someone outside to give us value. We can have value, in ourselves. We can believe in ourselves.
Kayo naman, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo mga kapartner? Kung kalidad at pangmatagaalang uniforme ang hanap nyo, i-Unisol na yan. Subok na sa mga premium na materyales tulad ng Philippine Tropical Fiber at Piña Fiber na nagbibigay ng kaginhawaan, tibay at eco-friendliness at tinitiyak ang napapanahong estilo at mataas na kalidad ng produkto.
So for those looking for quality, affordable uniforms anchored on sustainability, Unisol is here. We are ready to accept bookings for 2026. You can reach us on our social media platform, Facebook, Unisol, our website, www.unisol.ph.
So this is a jump-off point of our partnership together, and in the future, we will be creating more types of garments, available for the mass market, hopefully. So this one is for the uniforms, and eventually we're going to more casual settings, and maybe we can do a little bit of couture as well in the future. So let's see. It's a long road ahead, and it's really exciting just to be here.
Sa kanilang pagtutok sa kalidad, tibay at sustainability, patuloy silang nagbibigay ng mga produktong hindi lamang maganda, kundi pati na rin komportable at praktikal para sa mga Pilipino. Para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kung mahal. Nag-uulat Paul Montebon, SMNI News.